Hello, welcome to Chitra's Vedic Cookery, where I bring recipes that align you to the energies of the planets and stars. Today, let's cook with the energy of the sun, the epitome of power, leadership, confidence, vitality. Have you seen some people just walk into a room and instantly grab attention? The silent authority, the inner glow. Sun also denotes the father figure in life, and career wise, job in the government, civil services, or politics. But wherever you are, the instant leadership is handed over. A weak sun makes you struggle with self esteem and instability. However, it's quite easy to stabilize the sun in your life. Sunbathe or at sunrise every day for at least 20 minutes. Do Surya Namaskar. Spend some quality time with your father or father figure. Believe me, this heals many karmic wounds. Sun rules over wheat, red vegetables and fruits, jaggery, chilies, and aromatic spices like saffron, cardamom, nutmeg, etc. So let's go and prepare something with these items today. These are the simple ingredients we'll be using today to prepare tomato jelly. These can be prepared with all the things available in the house. So let's take a look. Tomatoes, of course, which are very important. Then we have jaggery, cardamom and saffron. We have little sunflower seeds and cashew nut. And since I like it spicy, it will have a pinch of salt, of course, and chili flakes. As you can see, I have boiled, peeled and mashed the tomatoes nicely. You can also puree them in the mixie, but I like it a little pulpy, so I have just mashed it. Now you add it to the pot, cooking pot, and keep it stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring till it comes to a jelly form. Now once this comes to a boil, we add jaggery. For 1 cup of tomato pulp, I have taken half a cup of jaggery. But however, don't worry, all the ingredients and the measurements will be given in the description. So we add half a cup of jaggery to this and keep stirring till it comes to a jelly form. As you can see, the tomato jelly is coming together. This is the time when we add a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt for taste. Salt always enhances the sweetness in any sweet preparation, and a bit of sweet sugar or jaggery enhances the spice in a spicy item. And I'm adding half a teaspoon of chili flakes. That's it. And then now I have fried the sunflower seeds and cashew nut in just half a teaspoon of ghee. So I'm adding that and leaving a little for garnishing. Yes, this is it. Lastly, add a few strands of saffron for flavoring, and your jelly is done. As it cools, it will become thicker than this. And your yummy, healthy tomato jelly is ready to serve. When your inner fire feels dim, a sun-aligned meal can reignite it. Subscribe to Chitra's Vedic Cookery for more celestial recipes that feed your soul. Comment below if you feel connected to the energy of the sun. Like, share and tag someone who needs to reignite their light. Because remember, when your sun shines, the whole world notices.